You guys start thinking about what you're going to name it when you get it.
Meeting their new cuddly reading buddies. First graders at Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts were given homemade stuffed animals that they'll now turn into characters for their own stories.
They're going to learn about the story elements through reading. We have a mentor text, and then they're going to take that further and they're going to create that character for themselves and put it into a story that they will put on an app where they will create a digital story. So that character is going to come to life physically and digitally. I also am teaching them first person point of view at that young age, so they understand that me, the pronoun me, I, is first person, which is their character, but yet they're going to speak in the voice of that character.
A volunteer sewed more than 110 reading buddies to give to the first grade classes. Each handmade animal came with a tag that has a poem written on it.
Read to me anytime and anywhere you can. You will soon find out that I'm your biggest reading fan.
We wanted something they could snuggle up to and read to, and so we thought a fat little cat and a bear and a dog, and then we had a bunny.
The students are having fun naming their reading buddies and are excited to start writing their stories.
I named him Popcorn Cotton Candy. My story's gonna be about how I met him. Blue, because he's so cute and adorable. I named my reading buddy Ellie, and our story is going to be about the playground.
After designing their characters, students will then use Legos to build settings for their stories. The teacher hopes that the Reading Buddies project will help students develop a love for reading.
I really hope that it sets the tone for reading as they progress in elementary school, because a lot of kids get involved with video games, and if they get this foundation of a personal character that they can take with them, I think it'll help set the tone for future development of their reading. 1, 2, 3.
Reading Buddies!
At Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.